Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Amazing People, where we explore the lives of some of the most unique and inspiring individuals in the world. Today, we are going to talk about 5 people who stopped growing at a tender age, but never stopped living their dreams. They are people who have shown us that size does not matter, but spirit does. So, without further ado, let's meet these amazing people. Number 1 in our list is a remarkable woman named Maya. Maya is not your average 30-year-old. She stopped growing when she was just 3 years old, and today, she stands at a petite 87 centimeters tall and weighs 17 kilograms. Despite her physical limitations, Maya's spirit remains unbroken. She may not be able to walk or talk, but her strength and resilience are a testament to the human spirit. Her condition does not define her, instead, it highlights her courage and determination. Maya's family believes that Allah made her this way, and they are proud of her. They provide her with the support and care she needs, and their love for her is boundless. Her sister Noviantai says, "We take care of her very well and we protect her. I love her, the entire family loves her." Maya's story is a powerful reminder that our worth is not determined by our physical abilities or appearances, but by our character and the love we share with others. It teaches us that every challenge we face is an opportunity to show our strength and resilience. So, let us take inspiration from Maya. Let us embrace our unique qualities, face our challenges head on, and remember that we are loved, just as we are. Thank you. I want to share with you the story of a remarkable individual, Manpreet Singh. Born in India in 1995, Manpreet stopped growing before he could walk or talk. Standing at just 23 inches, his condition has baffled medical professionals. Yet, this has not defined him. Manpreet's life is a testament to the power of love, acceptance, and resilience. Despite the challenges he faces, he is cherished by his family and revered by his community. They see him not as someone with a deficiency, but as a blessing from God. His mother says, people in the village consider Manpreet an incarnation of God and call him Baba Da. Manpreet's story teaches us that our worth is not determined by our physical stature or abilities, but by the love we give and receive. His life is a beacon of hope, reminding us that every life has value and purpose. Despite his differences, he is loved unconditionally and lives a happy life surrounded by his family. Let Manpreet's story inspire us to embrace our unique selves, to love without condition, and to find joy in every moment. For in the end, it is not our challenges that define us, but how we rise above them. Thank you. I want to share with you a story of resilience, a story of courage, a story of a woman named Rodhuddle. Standing at 32-inch tall and weighing just 21.4 kilograms, Rodhuddle might be the size of a toddler, but she is a 26-year-old woman with a spirit that towers above us all. Rodhuddle's journey is not an ordinary one. At the age of 3, she mysteriously stopped growing. Despite this, she has never let her size define her. She has embraced her uniqueness, her individuality. She has shown us that it's not the size of the person in the fight, but the size of the fight in the person that truly matters. Rodhuddle's condition may limit her physical abilities, but it has not limited her spirit. She can walk short distances, she can communicate, and most importantly, she can laugh. Her laughter, a testament to her indomitable spirit, brings joy to those around her. Her mother, Nurlalila, describes Rodhuddle as having a toddler side and an adult side. This duality is a reminder that while we all have our vulnerabilities, we also possess the strength to overcome them. Rodhuddle's story is a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt, to persevere, and to find joy in the face of adversity. It's a reminder that we are not defined by our circumstances, but by how we respond to them. So, let's take a moment to appreciate Rodhuddle, not for her size, but for her spirit, for her courage, for her resilience. And let's carry her story with us as a reminder that no matter what life throws at us, we have the strength to overcome. Thank you. I want to share with you the story of a young man named Angus Palms. Born in 2004, Angus may be small in stature, standing at just 1 meter tall and weighing a mere 2 st. 2 ibs, but his spirit is colossal. Often mistaken for a toddler, Angus stopped growing when he was just 3 years old due to a unique chromosome abnormality. Despite his physical limitations, Angus has never let his circumstances define him. He has faced more than 40 operations in his short life, and yet, he remains undeterred. His journey is not an easy one, but it is one that he embarks on with a bravery that is truly inspiring. Angus cannot walk or talk, and he battles severe gastric problems every day. But these challenges have not dampened his spirit. Instead, they have fueled a fire within him, a fire that radiates a positive outlook so powerful it has amazed doctors and inspired everyone around him. Angus is a testament to the fact that our physical attributes do not define us. It is our spirit, our courage, and our positivity that truly matter. His story is a reminder that we are not defined by the challenges we face, but by how we rise above them. So, let us take a leaf out of Angus's book. Let us face our challenges head-on, with bravery, with positivity, and with an unwavering spirit. Because, like Angus, we are all warriors in our own right. Thank you. I am honored to share with you the inspiring story of a young man who has overcome many challenges and achieved his dreams. His name is Hasbullah Magomedov, and he is a living proof that nothing is impossible. Hasbullah was born 18 years ago in Dagestan, a region in Russia. He suffers from a rare genetic disease that makes him look like a 3-year-old child. He is about 1 meter tall and weighs about 16 kilograms. He has a high-pitched voice and a delayed growth. But he also has a big heart and a strong spirit. Hasbullah has faced many difficulties in his life. He has endured the stares and the comments of people who don't understand him. He has struggled with his self-esteem and his identity. He has felt different and isolated. But he never gave up. He never let his condition define him. He never stopped pursuing his passions and his goals. One of his passions is fighting. Hasbullah loves mixed martial arts, or MMA. He is a huge fan of Khabib Nurmagomedov, a former UFC champion and a legend in the sport. Hasbullah admires Khabib's skills, his courage, and his faith. He wants to be like him. He wants to be a fighter. Hasbullah decided to use his humor and his charisma to turn his weakness into his strength. He started making videos on social media where he showed his personality and his talent. He recreated scenes from Khabib's fights, he challenged other fighters, he joked about his condition. He became a sensation. He became a star. He became mini Khabib. Hasbullah's videos went viral. He gained millions of followers and fans. He got the attention of celebrities and influencers. He even got the support of his idol, Khabib himself. He was invited to participate in a fake fight with another young man who has the same disease as him. The fight was a huge success. It was entertaining, it was funny, it was inspiring. Hasbullah showed the world that he is not a victim. He is not a joke. He is not a child. He is a warrior. He is a champion. He is a hero. Hasbullah's story teaches us many lessons. It teaches us that we should not judge people by their appearance. Thank you, Hasbullah, for your spirit, your humor, and your inspiration. Thank you for being you.